is Rizky Mulyadi.
Oh ya, Rizky. Oh.
Rizky Mulyadi ya.
Hi. Today we have English class. Yeah. So the first I choose the question is study English for pay. Yeah. Why I choose talk about study English for pay? Yeah. Talking about pay. It's very sensitive, you know. Yeah. You know, some people would to join because must pay, and then that is big problem for an English class. Okay. Although there is people who come but just for a moment, yeah, because they think about money. Well, if if there is money for pay, how about that have not money for pay? People have not money for pay. Would arrive problem when people have not money, would feel inferior. Yeah, and just people that have money would join to English club. If talking about consistent, not because pay, but come back to personal. Yeah, if he or she want can speak English, pay or free, certainly they would come in English club. And about study English for free, that is something well, because the person want to speak English. Yeah. Apalagi study in English free. Yeah, just come to here and have the people that teach us. Yeah, come back to personal. Don't look now. Yeah, my opinion about that. If the people can English, he certainly come here. Why I say like that? Because like me, I want to speak English and I come here. Although I can speak English. Yeah. Ya, oleh karena itu, I want we commitment about English club. So finish my opinion. Thank you so much.